guys, welcome back. It's been a while now, but today I'm finally gonna get to starting on working on the Lexus again. So I'm gonna start off by prepping the bumper for paint. Just gonna take off the fog lights and the grille for right now, then we'll get to sanding. Okay, I have the bumper sanded down to about 80 grit to maybe 120 grit. I just used whatever I had laying around in my garage. And I'm gonna go ahead and fill in all the little spots that need some filling with some Bondo glass. Okay, Bondo glass is dry. I'm just gonna sand it down with 80 grit on a random orbital sander. Okay, after all the Bondo work, I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up with some wax and grease remover, then spray it with some primer. So since I have to paint the whole kit and the rear arches, I figured I might as well just repaint the whole car while I'm at it. It'll be a good learning experience. I'm not gonna go with a crazy color. I just want to keep it kind of similar. Another silver probably. So yeah, please stay tuned. Alright, so I already started taking off the door handles and the door panels. Since I am going to be painting my car, I thought might as well just paint the door jambs as well, make it look complete. And around the door handles, you can kind of see where the old paint job was chipping away. I guess they didn't bother to take off the door handles when they painted it. So what I'm going to do is try to feather it in to make it nice and smooth, nice and flat, and paint right over that. What's up guys, it's been quite a long time since I picked up the camera to film anything for the Lexus project. In the process of getting it painted, but I have everything sanded down with 600 grit wet sand, and I masked everything off, so we should be ready to paint soon. I'm gonna be painting just the body right now. The hood I'll paint separate because I don't have any space to get to the front. I'll paint it with the kit, and I am doing the door jambs, so I have everything masked off. I'll just do a quick walk around. I didn't spray the car with primer because I'm trying to do this on a, I guess, cheap budget without that much effort. So I'm just using the existing base coat and clear coat as the foundation, which could be bad, could be fine. We'll just have to see. So right now I'm just gonna work on getting the garage all lined with plastic. Then I'll get my fan set up. I'm gonna be using just regular box fans. I got 2 of them, and I'm gonna be using just double filters for each fan. Then I can go ahead and set up my compressor and airline and get my gun set up properly. Then we can hopefully start spraying. Okay, I got the garage booth all set up. I have plastic drop cloths around the perimeter. I put some drop cloths on the ground to prevent overspray from painting the garage floor. I have these exhaust fans, 2 of them set up with double filters. This box is just going to prevent dust from coming in, hopefully, and I'll close the garage door about halfway to prevent dust, minimize dust. And next I'm going to go ahead and spray the whole car down with just some compressed air, get as much dust off as possible. Then I'll hit it with a tack cloth and then mix up paint, and we should be ready to spray. I'm gonna do the door jambs first, probably 2 coats of base, and then I'll close the doors and do the exterior with 3 coats of base. Alright guys, it's another day. The car itself, the body, is all painted up. I covered it for now. I'm gonna have to get the hood off so I can go ahead and paint it today, along with the rest of the kit and all of the little parts here. So I finished painting the car and I put it back all together, but there is a problem. Probably throw a picture up, but some parts are different shades than other parts. You can kind of see it on video, but this hood is a lot darker, I guess. than the rest of the car. The car actually looks silver in the shade, but the hood and the fenders, which I already took off, they're here. The hood and the fenders, they're a lot more green than the rest of the car. And that happened because in the video, I used up all of this can of paint, which is a full gallon, which I know I shouldn't have used that much to paint the whole car. I must have been using too much material, and so I had to go back to this can, which is a can that I bought just to test out the paint. So what ended up happening was that this can is a lot darker than this can. So when I finished off with the last coat on the hood and fenders with this can, I noticed that it was a lot darker, but I went ahead and just finished it, and I put the car back together, and it was a really big difference. So what I did was I went back to the paint store and I got another gallon of this, and I already sprayed a test, and it will match the rest of the body of the car. So that's gonna be it for this video. Please let me know down in the comments below what you guys think about the paint job and the color I chose. Thank you to those who do watch my videos. I really appreciate your support. And if you're not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. It really helps me out. Like always, stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you in the next video.